If you're wondering what the difference is between nutritional yeast flakes, in this video I'm going to share with you some of the main differences that you'll find in the marketplace comparing the micro ingredients, organic nutritional yeast flakes, and the Bragg's nutritional yeast. Hi everyone, I'm Veronica, a former professional chef turned homemaker, and I love sharing all kinds of plant-based cooking tips and tricks. All right, first of all, if you don't know, what are nutritional yeast flakes? It sounds like a really weird name, but this is such a delicious ingredient that I use as a staple in my plant-based cooking. This is a cheese alternative and it's vegan friendly. This is basically a byproduct of brewers, like brewing yeast. It's a totally natural ingredient. There's several different ways that they actually can make this yeast. But in this video, I'm just going to share with you the main differences between the two types. So first of all, this is probably a product you've seen on store shelves. This is a really widely available product. This is the Bragg brand nutritional yeast flakes. They're probably one of the original brands really selling this type of product. There's no artificial colors or flavors, but the main reasons that people actually add this to food are several. First of all, it makes like a cheesy flavor. So we put this on popcorn. I add it to creamy, cheesy sauces. But there's also another reason why you might want to eat this, and it's because of the nutritional value of this product. Now, first of all, nutritional yeast is really a good source of protein. So look at this. In 2 tablespoons, you can get 5 grams of plant-based protein. It's really easy to eat 2 tablespoons, especially if you're adding it to things like popcorn or topping things or serving yourself this in several different meals throughout the day. And it's also a good source of a lot of these vitamins and minerals. So this product here has iron, potassium, B1, B2, B3, B6, B9, and B12. And here's what the ingredients are of the Bragg's nutritional yeast. It's got dried yeast, but then it also has a lot of these synthetic vitamins. Now, this is a really good option if you don't take any multivitamins or any type of additional vitamins like B12 or B3. This is probably a good source of this. However, I have found in my own personal experience that consuming too much of this type of product that's fortified, I actually ended up having too much niacin in my diet, and that actually can cause like gout symptoms. So that was something that I personally experienced. Now, there's a lot of foods that actually are fortified with these vitamins and minerals. So if you kind of look through everything that you eat throughout the day, if you're eating a lot of fortified foods, you're probably getting maybe too much fortified foods. And then if you're taking a vitamin, it could actually end up causing, like for me, I had an issue with that. So this is a fortified nutritional yeast. And here's what the yeast looks like on the inside. As you can see, it's like flakes. It kind of looks like fish food, but it dissolves like in liquid pretty well. So it doesn't like stay like that unless you just eat it dry. This one here has like a really cheesy flavor and smell, and I don't know if it's because it's fortified or how they process it, but this one is like probably super, super cheesy flavor. Now, this product here, I've been purchasing this for years. I purchased it in bulk on Amazon. This is the Micro Ingredients brand. This one is actually certified organic and non-fortified. And this is a 2-pound package. So what I do is I actually just portion this into like a ball glass jar like this, or any type of container that you prefer. I actually keep the little scoopers that it comes with. And this is what the nutritional yeast from the Micro Ingredients brand looks like up close. It's a little more powdery and flaky. It's not super powdery. It's got a nice little flakiness to it. The smell is slightly less cheesy than the Bragg's, but it still has a very cheesy flavor. Now, on the back of the package, it kind of describes this product. This one says it's naturally rich in B vitamins and protein, and it's made without MSG and without synthetic fortification. And so let's look at the ingredients here. Now, 3 scoops is a serving. They're calling that a serving. It has 8 grams of protein. Now, let's see. 3 scoops is 16 grams. Let's just see. This is 10 grams. Okay, so this is going to have basically an equivalent amount of protein per the same amount of serving. But check it out. Look at the vitamins and minerals. So this one is not fortified. They don't add anything extra to this. This is just organic nutritional yeast flakes. And this one has calcium, iron, potassium, thiamine, which is B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, and biotin. So this is just naturally occurring in there. And you see the percentages are way lower. Like the niacin is 41% of your daily recommended intake. And this one, the niacin is 220% of your daily recommended intake. So in my personal experience, I was having way too much niacin and was giving me like gout symptoms. So that's why I stopped purchasing fortified products and I now go for the non-fortified. So anyways, I hope that this was a helpful kind of walkthrough between two different types of nutritional yeast flakes. Check out the links in the description below of where you can purchase both of these online, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more organic, vegan, grocery food store comparisons. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.